Have you ever felt like the whole world is talking about AI, but they're talking way, way over your head? If you're over 50 and don't know where to start, let AI be your personal guide. We're going to use Google Gemini and its guided learning mode. There's a similar thing in ChatGPT that I've also made a video on. First, you go to gemini.google.com, and if you haven't already got an account, please create one. So click on Tools and then select Guided Learning. Then we're going to type in something like, can you teach me how to use Gemini step by step and in plain English? So as you can see, it's now asking me what I would like to explore first. So I'm going to pick option 2, which is writing your first prompt. It shows me a table and there are 3 main ingredients for a great prompt: the task, the context and the format. So next it suggests that we build a prompt together and gives me an analogy. Imagine you want help planning a meal. If you just type dinner ideas, I might give you a list of 50 things that you don't even like. So it suggests that we need to add some context and that I should give it a rule or detail. So I'm going to say, I don't like fish. Next, it suggests choosing a format, because AI can give you its outputs in lots of different ways to suit you. It gives some examples: a simple list, a table, or that it could provide the information in a certain style of voice, for example, like a chef, or it could explain it like I'm 5. Then it suggests I choose a format and it will put everything in a super prompt. So I'm going to suggest a numbered list of 3 quick recipes. It then shows how the task, the context and the format come together to make our prompt. So the prompt is, give me a numbered list of 3 quick dinner recipes that do not include any fish. See how it doesn't just dump a big old manual on me? It's building things up step by step like an interactive workshop. So moving on, it then goes on to teach us how to refine a prompt. Because often we will need to iterate on a prompt, basically have a conversation back and forth with Gemini and tweak it so it does exactly what we want. If you're ever unsure of something, just say, Gemini, can you teach me in plain English? Or you can ask it to give you an analogy about the thing. So I'm going to ask for an analogy for prompting, and it suggests I think of prompting like ordering at a custom sandwich shop. If you just walk to the counter and ask for a sandwich, the person, or really in this case AI, has to guess absolutely everything, and you could end up with something that you really don't want. Or alternatively, say, is there a video that I can learn more about this? And you can see how it's suggesting some YouTube videos. And the best part about this is as you're learning, you're actually using the tool at the same time. And there's no tech jargon or anything like that involved either. If you found this helpful, I send out an email every week with AI tips and resources. You can find a link to that in your description, and I will see you in the next one.